Hi again and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll practice English vocabulary with fun exercises based on the story from the last video. You'll test your understanding of word meanings and check how well you remember the new words. If you haven't watched the story yet, now is a great time to watch it. It will help you enjoy this part even more. Let's begin. Test 1. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word egg mean? A. A red vegetable often used in salads and cooking. B. A round object from a chicken used for cooking. C. A small appliance used to toast bread. The correct answer is B. A round object from a chicken used for cooking. Test 2. Choose the correct word. Which word means a baked food made from flour, often sliced? A. Bread. B. Toaster. C. Herbs. The correct answer is A. Bread. Test 3. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word knife mean? A. A device used for boiling water. B. A sharp tool used for cutting food. C. A soft, creamy substance made from milk. The correct answer is B. A sharp tool used for cutting food. Test 4. Choose the correct word. Which word means to put something soft like butter evenly on bread? A. To cook. B. To spread. C. To wipe. The correct answer is B. To spread. Test 5. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word herbs mean? A. A flat pan used for frying or cooking food on the stove. B. A device that makes coffee automatically. C. Green leaves used to add flavor to food. The correct answer is C. Green leaves used to add flavor to food. You're doing great. Don't stop now. Let's test your full understanding of the story. Test 1. Multiple choice. These questions have several answer options, but only one is correct. They will help you remember key details from the text. Question 1. What were Lily and Ben doing at the beginning of the morning? A. Cooking breakfast together. B. Watching TV. C. Reading the newspaper. D. Going for a walk. The correct answer is A. Cooking breakfast together. Question 2. Which items did Lily take out from the groceries? A. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and green herbs. B. Milk, bread, and cheese. C. Eggs and butter. D. Coffee and sugar. The correct answer is A. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and green herbs. Question 3. What did Ben do while Lily was cutting vegetables? A. Made coffee. B. Cleaned the dishes. C. Set the table. D. Spread butter on slices of bread and cooked eggs. The correct answer is D. Spread butter on slices of bread and cooked eggs. Test 2. True or false? You need to decide whether a statement is true or false. This will help you check how well you understand the text. 1. The kitchen was dark because the curtains were closed. False. The kitchen was filled with sunlight coming through the big window above the sink. 2. Lily used a knife to cut the tomatoes into thin slices. True. 3. Ben sprinkled herbs on the eggs while they cooked. True. 4. After breakfast, Ben washed the dishes while Lily wiped the countertop. False. Lily washed the dishes while Ben wiped the countertop. Test 3. Fill in the blanks. In these questions, you need to recall the correct word to complete the sentence. This will help you reinforce key vocabulary. 1. Lily washed fresh. In the sink. The correct answer is vegetables. 2. Ben used a to cook eggs on the stove. The correct answer is frying pan. 3. Lily wiped the table with a clean before breakfast. The correct answer is cloth. 4. The kitchen was filled with sunlight coming through the big. The correct answer is window. Test 4. Open-ended. These questions encourage you to share your thoughts and personal experiences. This will help you practice your English and engage with the video. 1. How did Lily and Ben spend their Saturday morning together? The correct answer is they cooked breakfast, prepared food side by side, and enjoyed a calm and cozy morning together. 2. How did Lily cut the tomatoes? The correct answer is Lily cut the tomatoes into thin slices. 3. Have you ever spent a peaceful morning cooking or preparing a meal with someone? What did you cook and how did it feel? Share your experience in the comments. You did something great today, and I'm truly proud of you. Thank you so much for being here. If this lesson helped you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to learn English. See you in the next video.